If you're looking for bridal shower games for 2023 or even 2024, here are 5 games that I think you will enjoy. Games are a great way for your bridal shower guests to get to know one another. Most often, the bridal shower guests consist of bridesmaids, friends, and family not part of the wedding party. That means that the bridal shower is a unique opportunity for you to introduce some of your closest family, friends, and supporters to one another. In comes the bridal shower games. There's nothing like a game, a little competition, and plenty of laughs to help people get to know one another. No need for awkward icebreakers. Playing a game helps people to know who they are, how their mind works, what they think is funny, and all about their personality. This is far from a complete list, however. Below, you will find a good start for your bridal shower games for 2023 list. Of course, you don't need to include all of these games. For this time of game, you might only want to include 1 or 2 options. But here are some games that we think your guests will have fun playing, and it will also help them get to know who you are as the bride-to-be. The great thing about these game types is that you will have a few people with a huge advantage, like your best friend, who may be your maid of honor. But depending on when your friends and family spent time with you or got to know you, someone else might also have an advantage. Like your college roommates may know the most about you. But someone like a current coworker whom you spend time with will better understand who you are today and what kinds of things you like to do. This game is simple yet loads of fun. Anyone can play no matter how well they know the bride-to-be. Participants circle one of the options,